already discussed pawn's movement and capture rules in a previous lesson, but since en-passant is a rule many beginners don't fully grasp, it's better to dedicate more time to it. So let's start with this simplified position. Black may think that by making an initial two-square move with the pawn, it escaped the white pawn. This is not the case. The white pawn captures the black one as if it only moved one square. Basically, in this scenario, the black pawn is doomed no matter what. Once a pawn reaches the other side of the board, it is promoted to any piece you want, typically a queen, although in a very small number of scenarios, a knight may be more effective. Hopefully now you understand how en-passant works.